All right, so check it out, man.
Guess what we just heard?
We're about to take a picture, but in transition doing that,
Yeah.
we heard some weird ass noise up there. Sound like some mountain goat or something like
we
that.
We got
you
some
know
mountain goats up here.
So we got some animals
hearing funny noises,
which makes it's going to be a fun trip. Which means
that's
why we got our hiking knives.
Yep.
Right. Boom. Whatever comes our way, we're gonna stab that.
We can handle it.
We can handle it.
It will be our dinner.
It will be our fucking dinner. We got.
How we're gonna eat
we got
tonight.
all the propane we need. You know what I'm saying? We'll be okay. And you know what? I want to see an animal because I want to fucking stab something, dude, real quick. It's part of me.
Oh, is it?
It is. Why not? Come on, now.
It's that male instinct.
We're gonna make some fucking sheep snowshoes, man. Come on, now.
Make a fur, get some pelt.
We're gonna be back in the good old fur trade now.
Hell yeah.
All right.
So cheap.
That shit was weird though, wasn't it?
Hell yeah, dude.
That shit was right out there, dude.
Dude, it was less than like maybe a quarter mile out.
I was about to say a quarter mile out, dude. Shit, they're right there, dude. There. So we're
gonna see this. We're gonna see it on our way up.
There might be a Bigfoot out there, dude.
And we'll let you know what it is when we get back.
Yes, you're right about that, my friend. All right, here we go.